video for you guys. I apologize about that. I've been making a ton of content, but I've been failing to find the time to edit it and put it together into watchable clips. So sorry about that, guys. I've got all sorts of videos. I've got a full transmission DIY swap, like auto to manual swap. I've got a full suspension build, including troubleshooting swap. A couple updates on the turbo car. You know what? I'll just make a separate video for the updates on the turbo car. Right now, I'm on my way to my buddy Andrew's house, and we are dropping his motor in finally. He has that Imperial Green, I believe, is the name of the color. It's an 01 IS300, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's an 01, but he is done a fully built block and head and all that good stuff. So he's hoping to make like mid 400s, and he's had the car torn apart for a very long time. He's finally getting it back together. So we're gonna go put that shit in with him. And my buddy Cody's also gonna be there. So let's go do some race car shit with our race car friends. Damn, Cody brought the Viper today. Maybe I can talk him into doing a pull.
You missed it earlier, man.
What's up?
140 on the 51.
Oh yeah, you guys took a little trip to Mexico? Andrew, how do you feel right now?
I'm excited and a little nervous.
It's about to happen.
To be honest,
so
yeah.
We just put the turbo on with the wastegate, made it the trans to the engine, and it's about to go in the car. If you guys want more details on this build, I will post up his channel under here, but you can definitely check it out there. All right, there she is. I know the lighting's kind of shitty, but we got the engine in. Drive shaft is in. It's still obviously a lot more work, but we're gonna call it a day. Are you happy with the progress?
This sled's got some weight in it finally.
Right?
Fuck yeah.
It doesn't look lifted anymore. Oh man, I'm excited to get this thing running.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if Cody wants to take a trip down to Mexico in the Viper with the Turbo IS.
I would.
GoPro fell off, but that was our day. Super productive, and I got a chance to run with the Viper. That was about even. We want to get a better run, but in a more controlled space. There's a lot of traffic down in Mexico, so thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.